Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So this is a quick video where I explain how to use an old Razer mouse with Razer Synapse. So this is the software that can allow you to manage the mouse. In this case we have a Razer Naga 2014. It's a limited edition, as you can see it's green. And this mouse is not compatible with Razer Synapse 3.0, which is the latest software made by Razer. So if we just go on Google and we download Razer Synapse 3.0, the mouse will not be displayed here. Here we see my usual mouse that I use, the Naga Hex V2, and this is the interface for Razer Synapse 2.0. So we can launch here legacy devices and it will actually open this interface. If it doesn't, what you need to do is to go on Google, search for download Razer Synapse 2.0, install that program. You need to log in with your Razer account, and if it asks to make any updates, you should make the updates so you have the latest version of this program. Then reconnect your old Razer Naga mouse and it should most likely just appear here. And it seems that you can make some adjustments. You can calibrate the mouse if you feel that it doesn't work as it should. From customize, you can change pretty much all the buttons of the mouse. You can create profiles and so on. If you click on side view, you can reassign the side buttons, the 12 buttons from the side. And what else? You can adjust the DPI and the lights. In this case, this mouse doesn't have chroma, so it's not RGB. It only has green lights. You can just turn them on or off. And that's pretty much it. Here we have the keyboard that I use, an old Razer Black Widow 2013, and this one also it's compatible only with Razer Synapse 2.0. It's a very old keyboard, but it still works completely fine. So now you know exactly how to use this old Razer Naga mouse with Razer Synapse. Hopefully Razer will not discontinue this program, considering that all the devices that they are selling these days are only compatible with the latest Razer Synapse 3.0. However, as we can see, the old program works just fine. Okay, so please subscribe if you found the video useful, and thank you for watching.